As I sit here on this journey with its rocky rails, bumps, and jitters, on my way to another destination, it gives me time to contemplate. And where does my mind wander? Each time I change paths and try to think of something new, somehow I seem to be going in circles and circles. Am I lost? Do I know what I'm doing? On the train, every flash takes me back. I try to go somewhere else, try to take it elsewhere, but the train brings me in circles. As it rolls the wheels and it goes through the tunnel, flashing its lights reminds me of the teeny flashes of heaven I received. Always wanting to go back, always wanting more. It makes me wonder if I'll ever want or need a car. Too fast. No time to contemplate, to reminisce. Ever see a girl with a tiny glow on her face? A barely visible grin? Wonder what she's thinking. And as you catch her eye with a knowing glance, you realize she loves the train ride just as much as you. Damn, I missed my stop.